Stop by the shop, see what Aaron's working on. Got another portion here. Getting ready to detail and ceramic coat Corvette, BMW. I hear buffers going. Aaron, where you at?
I'm just cleaning out some of our tools, doing a little spring cleaning.
Got this bike we're getting ready to do. What, you cleaning up all the buffers?
Yeah. If that's what you want to call.
What in the world are you doing?
Just doing a little cleaning of our supplies and our tools.
Man, we ain't got time for this stuff. We got to be buffing and ceramic coating cars.
I'll put some sealant or
What
ceramic
is that?
on it or something.
Where did all this come from? What is that?
It's my 1911
Donald J.
baby.
Trump.
Yeah, I don't know who
Make
he is, but
America great again. Oh,
heard he's
my.
pretty cool.
You're gonna get me kicked off the internet. Love the flex and a Rupes. Gotta love them.